Hello, I'm Jingjing. This is my first CA for big data, and for this CA, we should use MongoDB and Postgres to create database. So at first, I will show the MongoDB because the first questions should we want to create the movie table, because I have already to create in my laptop in my data system. So I will show the table movie tables in the MongoDB system. So because in the first create the movie tables, they have 8 movies, but in the question 6 we should to delete the last 2 movies. So when I run to the whole database system, these 2 last movie will be not anymore in the MongoDB system. And when we move the second question, it will our to find the movie. The winter's name is writer name is the Quentin, and so we for the MongoDB, if you want to find some movies, it will be the function it will be db dot to movie, that which table you want to find, and use the find function to get location. That because this question want we find the movie writer name, so it will be you must to type the detail for there. Then for the condition which the question want, and the pretty just shows very clear to show the system help us to find the database and show this and display for the whole database that they found. So the move there, the next 2 question is also to will depend for the actors, the movie actors, and for fourth degree, and it will be show the whole of the like the question 4, it will be show the series of the whole Hobbit movies in the screen, and move all the questions 5 or 6, it will be find some movie. It will be find some movie is actor. It's built in the 19th. So that means the year must belong to 1919 and before the 2000 years. So this must to be use the and function. So this it means the movie search movie must find from the this 10 between these 10 years. So it will show in the movie tables they have 2 movies in is built between the 10 years, and if in the question 6 it will show the movie it's actor built before the year 2000 or built after 2010. So it will be means they want to find the or the movie will be follow these 2 before the after the 2000 years, and 2000 years before the 2000 and after 2000 years. So it can have find 1 2 3 4 5 movies in the movie tables. Then when we move the question 4, it will be 1 hours update the movies, because I have already to update in the personas in the movies. I remember this the Hobbit before the in the first it haven't any the friends. I don't know how to say the haven't already set there for the movie. So it have already to. It will be also used because it's when you set the more details for there, you must to keep the location because they basic for the detail name is Hobbit, and the I don't know how to say the genre is the first movie. So the system must to get location for the title, and then this will be set in the movies. And the movie the next also is have the two movies should be set the new more details, and otherwise because the database is use the JSON, so it's they have the actors use the colon, so you can add more actors if you they want to put more actors in the movies. So you just can also get the location like the detail for the question want to set. Then just add the more the actors in the movie colon. Then when we move the next question is we will find the text research, and because it's very big, so it will be used to we should create index. It will help to search the more details very quickly. So I increase the index and use the SNES for text. It will be help ours to keep to find in the future. So the first question is want we to find the snares have the I don't know how to say that, but it will be help to catch the there from the snares to find which detail have this one, and other when we move the next is the same for there, but just the different name. I think it's the same function, just to change the name. And when we move the next question, it will be shows it's belong the people and have no any the grant for the question 2. So it means it will be catch the both two that means it must have the people and have no the question. So the function will be used for end at first, then it catch the no, it will have the people and label and have no the grant for in the here. And so when we can run for in the Mango system. Now there have the system is have belong have the people and have no the grant. I don't know how to say the for when they research, and it's the same for the last search question. But it's used also. It will be keep the all. But so I had to find it will be use the all function, or the use the you can type these two and basic the space here. The system also will help to find the all the can catch the all condition, they just can catch one, it will be displayed on their here. So look, it will be more than the last question because they have more have find the Hobbit, and or if the movie also have the word for the driveways, it also will be show for here. And when we move for the last question, for the question 5, it's it will be shows, it means will be to find the 2. It also will be, it will be keep the both, means the gold and the drag. So it must, the function, the db function must to use keep the end, because this will be catch the 2 conditions for the research. So when it's run for here, wait a minute, it will be show for here. Look, there will be catch the they'll find one movies. I also find the other some way to catch, because it just puts the there are 2 condition for here. Use the here, it will be find here. Look, oh, I forget to use the pretty. It will be pretty help person to see clear to they find. Look, it's the same to find here. And when we move to question 6, I think it's the same for the I say before, it's use the db and which table you want to use, and use the movie function to get location, like the question want we get the title, and it will be delete these 2 movies. It's so when I run the first, that's why it haven't these 2 movies in my database system. So now we will go on the relationship. That means we will create more database, more tables in our database. So it's the first is insert the user, and we'll create the user and post, and the last one is comments. I think it's because it's already have in my laptop, so I'll just show the I think the difference is the comment, because the post they get the post IDs. It's a gets the, because gets catch the same name and catch the same IDs from the post. So because it's different for SQL, because the every MongoDB will already give the IDs when the user to create have already created the tables. So that means when we create the table for the post, it will be also catch the post title when the and with the question want we to create catch. That means like the SQL the foreigner ID. That's so that's is it. So, but in MongoDB we must use the post to find someone, because that's also one, that means get catch their the condition, and get set the ID, the same ID for the for these 2 tables, comments and post. So if it will be sure it's run for successful, we can move on the last question to find, because it's the same for before, like the user, it will be show I have already to do, but the important is it will be find use the 2 post, like when the command is the important one, because it will be create for the it's here, it will be used here. It's the last question is very important, because it will be both to get the comments from it will get the you will search from the comments table, but will be find from the post table. So the condition is from the post table, but the display the location is display the table is from the comment table, so it will be also the same one. You will be use the post find first, use find catch the post table first, then it will be use the function. The second function is find from movie from the comment. So in the end it shows for the this display is from the comment table, but its condition is come search from the post table. So that is all of my MongoDB screen. Next I will to show you about my Postgres system. See you next.